Hey everybody, Rick here with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Hey, the market's going to close up in about an hour and 20 minutes, and I thought I'd start my video here going into the close and then get it posted early tonight. So I've got some charts I want to look at, talk about the market a little bit. First, I want to say thank you everybody for watching our video. Thank you for reaching over and hitting that subscribe button. I appreciate it. So go ahead. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead right now. Just go over there and hit that subscribe button. Sure would appreciate that. Also, I want to remind you here, the Road to Wealth account. Let me bring it up here real quick. Let's get to the website and trading results. The Road to Wealth account, we should be receiving the statement for last month. Any day now, could come tomorrow, and if it does, we will get the new statement up here for you. Sorry, I got caught and had to do something real quick. Okay, I'm back. Hey, but the new statement should be out tomorrow. If not tomorrow, it'll be out Friday, and we'll get it up here. We closed January with 29,267. February, February should be in the 35,000 range. The exact number I don't know yet. And then of course we'll put the statement down here so you can actually go down and see the statement here. Okay, we'll do that. Also, hey, if you've not had a trial with Hit and Run Candlesticks, just come down here and click on that button right there, and then that will set you up for a 30-day, 30-day trial. And remember, make sure you download the members app. It's free. I mean, if you're a member or if you're a trial member, you have access to the members app. You'll get an email about it, and we'll be glad to help you set it up. But what that'll do is it'll alert you of anything we buy, sell, or adjust within seconds of when we do it. So, and then you don't have to be in the room to get the alert. That's one of the really cool things. You could be on the golf course, fishing, at the dentist, wherever. As long as you have self-service, you're going to get the alert there. So I think that's a good thing. Alrighty, let's take a look at some charts, talk about the market a little bit. There's really only one thing I can say about the market: garbage. That's the best word I think I could use. Right now, the market is garbage. Now, I want to remind everybody, because I'm reminding myself, that cash is a position, and you do not have to be in a position every single day. One of the keys to successful trading is keeping what you've made, and it doesn't take much to lose it, and I think most everybody listening to this video probably knows that. So we want to be a little careful. All right, I've got the SPY still holding on to this downtrend right here, and you can see the uptrend that we're still holding on to. That puts the SPY in kind of a tight little range here. Bottom line, the bears continue to chew on this. Watch for that breakdown. If the bulls step in, they could break us right out. But does anyone have an absolute idea where it's going? And by the way, no guesses. I mean, not unless you're willing to put your money where your mouth is. So, guessing doesn't cut it. Any kind of charting doesn't even cut it when the market is such garbage, and it is truly garbage. So really, the best thing to do is wait and see what happens, and then we will trade from that. Take a look at the Qs today. Oh, now yesterday near the close, we picked up some SPY puts and we picked up some Q puts. Now I've sold them all. We've made good money on those. I'm not going to hold any Q puts here, but we're going to show you one that I did buy just a little while ago, and we'll see how that turns out. We'll talk about it in a minute. But the Qs aren't looking very good here. We've got a nasty blue eyes failure. And as bullish as the Qs might want to get, you got nothing till it crosses back over this area here. So anything here, that's just a whole lot of hope and noise if you ask me. So we need to be very, very careful with this market right now. And trying to chase every little move can be so dangerous. So have some caution out there. VXX, take a look at that. VXX, trying to flap its wings, but truly it's not going anywhere. Not yet. Kind of a crazy candle pattern. Big candle here, hung out at the top, gap down. We're holding those bottoms, pair of dojis, and now we're moving up. Let's move this to a 2-day chart, 3-day chart. 3-day chart is giving us some type of morning star. Weekly chart, nothing. Let's see what the 3-bar chart looks like. 3-bar chart, you can see we're trying to move up here. We're actually above the T-line. Price has actually turned the Trendicator green. And, well, it just might want to take on that 50-period moving average right in here. We'll watch this closely going into the close, and definitely early in the morning. All right, let's take a look at a few charts. I've got a couple longs, and I've got a couple shorts. Looks like all in all, I've got 48. I've got 8 charts that we're going to add to or update in the watch list. Let's start with EMR. I really like the chart pattern on EMR, and I've seen a lot of oils doing pretty good today. So I thought, well, you know what? I'm going to put this up here. The only reason I don't buy it is simply because I think the market is garbage, and I'm going to sit and be a little bit, patient. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Looks to me like above this 86.50, I'm going to be bullish on this. I would really like to find a buy a little less. You know, if it was to come back into here and settle in a little bit and relax, that would be a good buy on EMR. So that's what I'm going to look for. Take a look at Honeywell. My. Now, this was on the watch list a few days ago as well. And, man, check out that candle right in here. And then check out the way we've come back. And now we're starting to move right up here. That's looking pretty good. We've got a doji, bullish engulf right now. This looks excellent to me. I think let's put, you know what? Let's don't do that. Let's do this. We're going to come over here and let's lay this right on these tops and then see where it ends up right there. There you go. So I certainly get it. I almost bought this today and I decided, nope. Once again, I think the market smells too much like garbage, so don't want it. Nice looking chart. So now I think maybe a breakout. And hey, maybe somebody out there bought it today. It does look good. Actually, like I said, I nearly bought it. But we've got this top in here, and I would think I would like it better on a breakout anyway. So, especially in the current market condition, but an awfully nice looking chart. KHC. This is a nice chart. A lot of people in the trading room have been talking about this one. I think a lot of people are even in this one here. But this KHC is starting to come up. We've got a bullish J-hook setting up. That's what we've got there. You can see a bit of a downtrend here. 3 bars up. Honestly, I think this needs to, maybe it goes up a little bit more, but I think somewhere what we need is another pullback, and then we might look for those green candles coming in, and that might give us the buy. Keys is looking like a short. Can you say blue eyes failure? Yeah, big time blue eyes failure. So we've got a top here, failed top, and then we just started moving down. a low. I'm sorry. Let's put this up there like this. There we go. We've got a high, a low, a failed high, or a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and then we came down and tried to move up, but we did get a little higher, but totally blew it. So to me, this just looks like more downside coming. You've also got a dreaded H pattern. Dreaded H pattern right there. That's what the H looks like. And if we get through that line right in there, that H pattern will have fulfilled what it's leading to, and then we could see more to the downside on this. So let's watch keys. A little bit of a pop to the upside might not be a bad thing. That might be a good entry, and I'll keep that in mind while we have it on the watch list when I'm looking at it tomorrow. SQQQ. I bought that just a little bit ago. I thought, what the heck? The price is right. It's looking pretty good here, so I like that. Let's look at a 2-day chart, 3-day. I just want to look at it a little longer time frame. Yeah, looking good. So we've got a bullish engulf here with follow through, and the follow through. There's only about an hour and 10 minutes before the market closes. I don't think this is going to fall down, and if it does, shouldn't be too much. So holding over the 50 looks pretty good. Maybe we get a little breakout tomorrow, and that sends us higher. Now, a breakout tomorrow in this means that the Qs are going to drop a little bit. So let's watch that. The Qs are actually on a bottom, and we could see a little bit of a bounce. Very possible. But if the bounce doesn't get back up, somewhere, bottom line, it's going to have to get back above this candle right here. A lot of money can be made on a relief rally up, but unless it can get above 324 or 35, you got nothing but a relief rally here. Above that, you could have the bulls taking control again. EEM. This might be a short. Here is, we've come down. Let's just go all the way here. We've come down to below the 50 period moving average. We've rallied up, and now we might be trying to get back through that 50 period moving average. So this starts breaking down below that 50. We'll look at that as a possible short tomorrow. PFE. This is. I'm considering actually buying a little PFE before the market closes. PFE's big old bullish is it? Yeah, I'm going to call it that. Bullish engulf here. We're closing over the T line. We've got hour and 5 minutes now before the market closes, and I don't see this collapsing in an hour. I really don't. So I'm actually considering buying a little of this before the close today, and just follow it up, maybe to the 50 period moving average, or we'll see what the chart does, maybe going higher. So PFE, anything above the T line, I'm going to look at that as positive, and I'm going to go right there. So anything above that T line, I'm going to look at as positive. Tomorrow, if we don't buy it today, then what I'll do is I'll look tomorrow for an inside day down here, and then maybe it pops to the upside. BIDU, short. Maybe this has a trip to the 50 period moving average planned. So let's go right into here. And then, of course, it could set up from there as a blue ice failure and actually push down a little lower. So that is very, very possible. So those are the charts that we're adding to the watch list or updating in the watch list. Again, today, as far as I'm concerned, today is a garbage day. And we want to be careful that we don't get ahead of ourselves and get caught on the wrong side of the garbage truck tomorrow. So, maybe you know, part of me says, hey, this might be a good little play in here, and, you know, maybe something long. And then I look at the Qs and I'm thinking, man, those things look horrible. You know, that we could end up to the downside. FNGU, check that out. There's nothing positive about FNGU. And these are the FANG stocks. And we need these FANG stocks to get us going. We need them. Otherwise, I don't believe there's enough juice in the rest of the market to flip this market bullish very quick. Now, maybe over a little bit of time, but that if that's the case, we're going to be living in a little bit of a chop for quite a while. So we really need these boys back right here. Take a look at Apple. Here's Apple. Let me get rid of that. There we go. Here's Apple. And, you know, maybe it's putting in a bottom here. Hard to say at this point. But no matter what, you got nothing till this thing gets back over 128.50. Anything from here up to that, that's just a whole lot of noise. So we need, sorry about that. We need this to get right up there, and I just don't see any signs of that today, okay? All right, that's the trade ideas today. Thanks for watching our YouTube video. I absolutely appreciate it. I hope you get a chance to check out the Road to Wealth trading results. If we get it, I'll let everyone know if the update gets done tomorrow. I'm just waiting for the statement from the brokerage company, and we'll get that done, all right? Everybody take care. Thank you very much. Appreciate you subscribing to our YouTube channel. We'll see you all tomorrow. Take care.